Ralph Nadar once said, "The function of leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers." A very good morning to one and all present here. Our principal ma'am is here with us to grace the occasion. I would like to welcome our honorable principal ma'am with a bouquet.
The past 2 years might have changed the methods of learning, but the integrity and values upheld by the leaders of our school remain constant. The investiture ceremony is a celebration and reminder of those values where each batch passes the baton of responsibilities and the principles that come along with it to the next one. We are here to witness this moment for the academic session 2021-22.
We will now begin the slow march of the new council members.
Captains, slow march!
Wasn't that wonderful? We shall now confer the badges to the newly elected captains.
We will now have the general salute.
Captains, general salute!
I request Principal Ma'am to please address the gathering.
Good morning to everyone. This has been a lovely ceremony, one of the best that I've seen from you people. What I really liked is the way you expressed yourselves, the way you've come out of the very difficult time that we've been through, the way you've realized that this is a time to continue to be vigilant, right? So while you are waiting to come back to school, you're also promising to be vigilant, you're promising to be careful so that we do not move into a third wave. Having said that, children, I think the way you have put this ceremony together, it's wonderful that even sitting far away, we are able to work together, we are able to work in unison, and for this, all of you need to put your hands together for your wonderful teachers who guide you and who are with you all the time. So please do appreciate them, and while we appreciate you and while we guide you so that you are able to put your best foot forward, we know that we have handed over the reins, the leadership reins in your hands. You are the ambassadors of the school. When people will look at you, they will know that this is Goldcrest High Vashi. So be very careful of that. You have a heavy duty to carry, but it's not very difficult. If you are disciplined, if you are careful, as that wherever we go, we do what is right. We do what is. I liked what one of the students said was that let us be compassionate. This difficult time has definitely taught us one thing: to be compassionate, to be kind. Learning happens. Learning happens. We will learn, we will get results, we'll have assessments, and we are going to do very well in life. But one thing that the pandemic has really taught us is to be compassionate, to be kind to each other. So I wish you all the best, and maybe this student council will now start working towards kindness towards others by let us make a program where we can work for the ones that are less privileged. We are all, as I told you, we are all in the same storm, but we are in different boats. You and I, we are privileged, we have a stronger boat. There are others whose boats are not that strong. So we have to work with compassion, with empathy, to make their boats stronger, to make their life easier. And I'm sure that this student council will do it under the guidance of their teachers and their mentors. Thank you so much, children. This was a wonderful ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those motivating words.